Imagine a world where money isn't printed on paper, stored in banks, or even physically real. A world where your wealth is a series of codes, and these codes have the power to transform lives overnight. Confused? Intrigued? Well, hold on tight, because by the end of this video, you will discover the hidden power behind what some call the future of money. But there's a twist, one that most people overlook, and it could change everything you thought you knew about cryptocurrency. To understand cryptocurrency, we must first travel back to 2008. The world was in chaos. A massive financial crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of banks and governments. People were losing trust. And then, out of nowhere, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto emerged. Satoshi introduced a revolutionary concept: Bitcoin, a digital currency that didn't need banks or governments to operate. But who is Satoshi Nakamoto? A genius programmer? A group of tech experts? Or someone else entirely? To this day, no one knows. And that's just the beginning of the mystery. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency. But unlike the dollar or euro, it's not controlled by any central authority. Instead, it uses a technology called blockchain to keep track of every transaction. Think of blockchain as an ultra-secure digital ledger spread across millions of computers worldwide. Each time you send or receive cryptocurrency, the transaction is verified and added to the chain. It's almost impossible to hack, making it incredibly secure. So, why does this matter? Well, for starters, it's borderless. You can send Bitcoin from New York to Tokyo in minutes without relying on banks. It's also decentralized, meaning no government can freeze your funds. For many, especially in countries with unstable currencies, cryptocurrency is a lifeline. But here's where it gets tricky. Is cryptocurrency just a tool for freedom or a playground for speculation? Not everything about cryptocurrency is rosy. Its rise has also given birth to scams, fraud, and even environmental concerns. Mining Bitcoin, for instance, consumes more energy than some small countries. And let's not forget the infamous Silk Road scandal, where Bitcoin was used for illegal activities. This dual nature of cryptocurrency, freedom and risk, is what makes it so fascinating. And now, the big question: should you trust it? Or is there more to this story? Here's the twist most people don't realize. Cryptocurrency isn't just about money. It's about revolutionizing how we exchange value, data, and trust in a digital age. Technologies like Ethereum are building entire ecosystems called smart contracts, which could one day replace lawyers, real estate agents, and even the stock market. So, while some see crypto as just a way to get rich quick, others see it as a blueprint for the future of the internet. Now you know what cryptocurrency truly is. It's not just digital money. It's an idea, a vision for a more connected, decentralized world. But here's the catch. Like any powerful tool, it's all about how you use it. Will you embrace it, ignore it, or fear it? The choice, my friend, is yours. If you're ready to dive deeper into the crypto world, hit that subscribe button and join us for the next video. Your future might just depend on it.